Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making vanilla cream cheese Danish. So let's begin. So first of all, we're going to start off with the cream cheese filling. So I'm going to add 200 grams of cream cheese, one egg yolk, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we're going to whisk this together. So our filling is now ready. We're going to now prepare our danishes. To prepare our Danish pastry, we cut the pastry in squares. So we have 6 square pieces. Okay, so with our squares, I'm going to just join this up, just give it a pinch. Okay, and I'm going to grab some filling and pop it in the middle. And then we're going to just seal this like an envelope. So my pastries are now done. I've actually sealed them with a toothpick, so you can just pop the toothpick in the middle. So I've made an egg wash, so this is just 1 egg and some water. So I'm just going to this will give it a shine. So we're going to pop this in the oven for 20 minutes on a gas mark 5 to 6. So my danishes are now ready. I'm going to make a icing drizzle to go on top of the danishes, but first I'm going to just add some blueberries. So for the drizzle, I have 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice, and some water. So we want a thick paste. So we're now going to drizzle this. So here we go, our finished vanilla Danishes. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks guys for watching.